Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make delicious baked potato wedges. First cut 4 large potatoes in the wedges. Now water to cover them and boil for about 3 minutes. Then drain the water. And season with half a teaspoon of salt, one teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix well. Place the potatoes on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake at 220 degrees for about 25 minutes. That's it, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, perfect baked potato wedges are ready. Enjoy and see you in the next recipe.